dear smarts. This is 10th class mathematics. Now I am going to start chapter 7, say coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. I introduce coordinate geometry. Already you have known about some knowledge about coordinate geometry. So I think everyone have along with you the geometry box. Geometry box. What are there in geometry box? Scale and set squares and protractor, divider and circular. These are all you have in that geometry box. And also children, coordinate geometry. What are there in coordinate geometry? And also you have known about the graph papers. In graph papers, actually each and every graph paper there are centimeter lines, one line to another line, distance between two lines 1 centimeter. In a graph, this is x-axis, x dash. This is y-axis, the horizontal line, x-axis, vertical line, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, y dash. The intersecting point is 0, 0. It is O, origin. 0, 0. From here onwards, it is 0, x-axis 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3, -4. Negative. Here +1, +2, +3, +4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Like we indicate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, 5, etc. And also children, this is the quadrant 1, so quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrants. In first coordinate, if we identify any place, for example, this place, what does it indicate? X-axis 2, y 3, 2, 3. The point 2, 3. First, we write the x-axis value and the y-axis. X, y. It's the point x, y. X, comma, y or A, B. X, y. It is x-axis value, y-axis. Or else any. If you want to this, what is x? -1, y2, -1, 2. If you want this one, of course, -3, -2, x -3, y -2. Of course, if you want this point, this is x4 -2, 4 -2. These are the points. 2, 3, so -1, 2, -3, -2, 4, -2. In first quadrant, all are positive. X, y, always positive. In second quadrant, x value negative and y value positive. So third quadrant, x, y, both are negative. X, Y both are negative. So fourth quadrant, both are X positive, Y negative. X positive, Y negative. Do you have some clarity? These are the points. And also children, here 2, 3 is one point. Another, of course, here 1, 2, another point. Distance between these 2 points, distance 1, 2 and 2, 3. Distance between these 2 points. There is a formula. There is a formula. x2 root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance between 2 points. Of course, here a point. This is distance between 2 points. Distance or distance between 2 points. Any 2 points we find like that. Once observe children, put heading and once observe coordinate geometry. Thereafter we will move to exercise 1. Okay. Point. You know about the distance. Distance between from school to your house. Distance between from school to your village. Slide. That is, we calculate in kilometers. Here we calculate centimeters or any other units. Any other units. Distance between. Very important formula. Distance between 2 points is, for example, x1 y1, a x1 y1, b x2 y2. These are 2 points. Distance between AB equal to, distance between AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So capital children. It's the most important. Here exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Between the following pairs of points. Exercise 7.1. Here x1 y1 equal to x2 y2 equal to x1 y1 equal to 2 3 4 1, x2 y2 equal to 4 1, x1 y1 2 3 means x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 4, y2 equal to 1. That's like you think x1 equal to 3, y1 equal to x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 4, y2 equal to 1. That's distance between 2 points. Equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This equal to, substitute, what is x2? x2 4 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 1 minus y1 3 whole square root of 4 minus 2 2 square, 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square root of 2 square 4 minus 2 whole square also 4. So root, this is equal root 8 units. We can write as 4 into 2 root 2 units. 2 root 2 units. Distance between 2 root 2 units. Confidential name. x2 y2 minus 1 3. Distance between 2 points. It's very simple. Distance between 2 points equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute. What is x2 minus 1? Minus 1, x1 minus 5. x1 minus 5, minus 2 minus plus 5. Minus 2 minus plus 5 whole square. y2 3 minus 7 whole square. So root. Minus 1 plus 5 4 square plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 whole square. 4 square 16 minus 4 whole square plus 16. This equal to 32. Of course we can write 4 into or 16 into 2. 16 4 root 2 units. 4 root 2 units distance. Have you understood? Do you understand? Distance between 2 points. Remember the formula, write formula and substitute the values x1 y1 x2 y2 and simple calculation you can get answer. Copy down. 0, 0 and 36, 15. Here x1, y1 equal to 0, 0. x2, y2 36, 15. Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. What is the formula? Root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So very simple. Substitute. What is x2? 36. x1 0 plus y2 50. y1 0. 36 minus 0, 36. 36 square plus 15 square. 36 into 36. 36 into 36 plus 15 into 15. 36 into 36. Plus 15 to 225. Add 5 plus 6. 1521. 1521. This is equal 39 into 39. 39 into 39. This is 39 units. 39 units. And also children, it's very simple. In 2 points, if one point is origin 0, 0, it's very simple. Distance between distance between 0, 0 and xy equal to root of x square plus y square. Distance between 0, 0 and xy equal to root of x square plus y square. Another formula. Copy down. Okay children, find the distance between these points and finish your home task and send to our group. Okay children, bye bye.